Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your OPPO Enco Air 3 keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend it to open Hey Melody application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app and then you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down a bit and right here we have OPPO Alive audio. Tap at this line, this one is spatial audio, so turn off it. Maybe it will fix your problem. Next step is to perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone. You can check it in the settings if you go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. So if you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, meaning that it's disconnecting. But it depends on Android phone. Let's say on Realme you have under your headphones text, in use if it connected, no information if it disconnected. And then you need to open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. And also on iOS, if you want to check is it disconnecting, you will see the information near to your earbud that it's not connected. Now we reconnected, so check is it fixed. As you can see, it returned to My Devices. On iOS you will see the information connected. Next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to remove your earbuds from your phone. At the back side of each earbud we have touch controls, right here and right here. You need to press and hold these touch areas for at least 15 seconds. So just press and hold. Here we go. Now we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And right now, as you can see, if I'm trying to reconnect them, I cannot. So near to your earbuds we have information icon or settings icon. Tap at this icon, forget and forget. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top. Also, not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. But I need to click this button. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so you will see them as a device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. And then click Pair. And now check it. Also, I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will remove all your networks from your phone. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device and then I will move to iOS. So on your Android, open settings. Also, some Android phones have system visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part also to find a similar path. In the settings, scroll down and you need to find System. Click on it, then scroll down again, and at least on stock Android we have reset options. Click at this line, then select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to the General settings. So click at the General line, then scroll down, and at the bottom we have Transfer Reset iPhone. Click at this line also, and Reset. Right here you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth settings and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So click on it, then write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!